welcome back to another grilling video, and today we're doing something that's really pretty good. Whitney made this the other night for a quick dinner and it was phenomenal. Good. What was it?
Pizza pull-apart bread. Kinda, yeah. It was really good. So good that I'm a morning breakfast person and I'm eating this for breakfast. So, we have Kaiser rolls, mozzarella sliced cheese, oregano, pizza sauce, mozzarella shredded cheese, pepperonis, and the last of our sausages that we put on it from the other day.
All right. With that, it's going to be pretty simple. We're firing up the Pit Boss right now. We're going to try to get it up to about 350 degrees. You can easily do this in your oven. We're not sure, 350, 400 would probably be about right, but we're just going to watch it because really all we're looking to do is heat everything up and melt the cheese when we do this. So let's get the grill started. All right, we got this set to 350. You can see it's just starting to fire up. We'll let some of this white smoke come out of here, and as soon as it gets up to temperature, we'll be able to put this in. So let's prep the ingredients. All right, the grill's heating up. What's next?
So we're basically going to take the Kaiser roll. I'm going to go one slice this way, and then we're going to go so that whenever you pull it apart, it's literally just pulling it apart. But you don't want to cut it all the way through so where like it's...
So solid on the bottom, but cut almost like an 1/8 inch thick, like leave an 1/8 inch of it still connected on the bottom.
Yeah, you don't need to go all the way through. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. Thanks. We're just going to cut it.
Does a serrated edge work better than others?
Yeah, so you basically just want a bread knife because the other knives are too slick, so it'll just pull it through. But you can see I didn't go all the way through in there, and then you're literally just going to do like this.
This is so simple and good.
And that's kind of what it looks like. If you wanted to, you could probably go down on either side in the middle, but we didn't do that the other day. Since we have our bread cut open, is we're going to take our pizza sauce and we're going to layer it in there. The other day when I did it, I didn't put a lot of pizza sauce in there. But today we're going to do a little bit more just so it is a little bit moist in there.
And we can show them how much to put in, right?
Yeah. Okay. Like it's not an exact science. You make it how you want to. So.
That's right. Light sauce, heavy sauce, however you like your pizza.
Yeah, exactly. We're normally a light sauce family, but this called for a little bit more sauce. So. And you're going to get a little messy doing this, but that's okay. And as you do this, your pizza sauce will soak into the bread. So if you go back whenever you're putting your pepperonis, your sausage, or whatever you want in there, you can always, of course, add more sauce as you see fit.
Pepperoni, sausage, cheese, what goes first?
You could really do it however you want to, but the other day I just started shoving the pepperoni in there because the pepperoni, like I folded it, and then as I put the pepperoni in there, it kind of opened the bread a little bit and made it a little bit easier to
that was for the bread.
to get the other ingredients in there.
All right.
Not for the mouth.
Correct.
And this is where you're going to get a little dirty. And that's fine. And you can just put however many little pieces in there.
So they're almost like touching each other right next to each other. There's quite a few in there.
Oh yeah. You just shove them suckers in there. Okay, from this part we can just take over our leftover sausage, and my hands are already dirty anyway, so I'm just gonna throw it on there. And you can either choose to just sprinkle or shove in there.
You may open it while you do that?
Well, I'm gonna just do it sparingly since we don't have that much of it left.
Okay. All right, what's the technique?
There's really not. You just break it however it breaks, and then you literally just shove it in there. And because we're a cheesy family, I did not a lot of cheese the other day, but you literally just...
You put a couple little pieces per slice?
Yeah, because we're also going to do the shredded on top of, like, sprinkle too.
Okay. Over here. Yeah, right here. Hey, do me a favor. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more like it, subscribe to the channel and click on that little bell notification so you get notified of new videos. Thanks.
You're gonna take the cheese and just do a little wiggle in there and smush it in there. Alright, so at this point we've shoved our mozzarella cheese in there. Now we're just going to sprinkle it on there because we like cheese. And it doesn't really take a lot because you have the mozzarella slices in there, but cheese as you see fit. And then from here we're just going to sprinkle the oregano on there. And again, this is just kind of like the cheese seasoned to your liking. And this is about what the finished product should look like. And again, it's all up to your liking, how you cheese, season, sauce, and now we just throw it in the grill. All right, so we have this set at 350. We're a little higher than that, but as we open it to check on the pizza and stuff like that, it'll cool down. But we're just gonna go ahead and open it and place it on the top rack here. Goodbye.
So what do you think? How long should they probably go in? We're just trying to melt the cheese, right?
Yeah, and get the bread a little bit crispier. The other day, whenever we made it, it wasn't too crispy, but I think it would be better if it was crispier.
So a little bit more?
Yeah, maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes or so.
All right.
We'll just kind of check on it.
We'll check
eyeball
out
it.
on your 5 or 6. We'll let you know how long it takes for them to be done.
It's a little awkward to...
They're looking pretty good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Let's see how they look. You think they're done now, or do they need a little more?
You could call it done, but some of the cheese looks like it's not melted everywhere, so we can leave it in there for another minute or two.
Okay.
Not long. It's like almost there. It's been about 2 minutes now. We're gonna go ahead and take it out, throw it over there, and see what we got. That looks good.
So you can actually pick these up. Like, this is unbelievably good for just popping onto a plate and serving to, well, I was gonna say one of the kids, but I mean an adult.
Basically. It's like a good kind of cheap, like, football game serving thing because people can just like pull it apart and eat it and put it on their plate.
That's a great point. And football season's kicking up. I think we were watching a preseason game yesterday while we were having lunch.
Yeah.
So you can just grab a little section of it and pull, and it comes right off of there.
I'm just gonna do it from the middle so y'all can get a good look of what's inside it looks like and how easily it pulls apart.
Mm-hmm.
That's the good cheese pull we are looking for.
You did the nice pull apart. I just grabbed the end one.
Well,
Ready? Let's give it a shot.
the viewers want to see.
It looks good.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. I wonder if you guys could hear the crunch. When I bit into that, it was crunchy on the edge, like the crust of a pizza. It's really, really good. Man, that is tasty.
I took a big bite. You took a baby bite.
I did take a baby bite. Oh, so should I keep talking while you chew?
No, it's fine now.
But it's like that monkey bread, that dessert cinnamon monkey bread. You just pull it apart and you have yourself like a little pizza meal.
It's really good.
This is a quick and easy one. Like, you guys should absolutely try this. I'm gonna grab another bite. And in the meantime, safe and happy grilling, y'all.
Bye.